So today's video is a first impressions video. So it is the L'Oreal Balmain lipstick collaboration that we're going to be seeing. Now, a few weeks ago when the collection launched, I remember putting up a post of the blue lipstick like on my Snapchat and Insta stories and asking you guys if I should get it or not. And there were these mixed reviews from you guys. Half of you said get it, half of you said no, who's gonna wear blue lipstick? And I didn't get it at the time because I was leaving for Korea and I thought, you know, I'm gonna buy a lot of funky makeup in Korea. I don't need this, I'm being greedy, I'll think about it, and I didn't get it. And then this morning I opened this beautiful package, which is the whole collection. So it's this beautiful box with like all 12 shades. Like, how amazing is that? So thank you to whoever sent this to me, whether it was L'Oreal or Balmain, I have no idea, but thank you. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me sharing my first impressions and swatches with you guys because a lot of you requested for this on Snapchat and Instagram again. So let's get started. First up, it's time to unbox this baby. So it comes in this beautiful box like this. And as you open it, you see all three parts. The collection is split into three parts. There's Rock, there's Safari, and Couture, I think. And it's like blue packaging, green packaging, and black packaging. Now, the packaging is really, really bomb. Like, it's beautiful, and it has this kind of marble-like effect. And you have 4 shades in each category, so 12 shades in total. And the packaging is really beautiful as well. So this has also been designed by Balmain, which I think is really, really cool because you can reuse the box for jewelry or makeup or whatever. Okay, now it's time to try the lipsticks. I haven't tried any of these yet. I've only opened them and seen the colors, and they have some beautiful colors. Okay, so first up, we're gonna try the blue one that I really, really wanted to get. It does seem darker than it did online. Like, the picture made it seem like a more vibrant blue. This seems like a darker blue, but I just feel like it is a blue, which is quite cool. I have nothing on right now, just some lip balm, no other makeup, so you guys can actually see what the lipstick looks like. And let's begin. So it glides on really easily, as you can see, and it's really pigmented. Like, just the first swipe and it's pretty blue, right? Oh my god, this is so blue. Look at this. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is a really, really dark blue. I really, really like it. Like, I'm loving the look of it. I would, however, do something to my eyes with this to kind of balance it out, because right now I've got like a black top, navy blue lips, and nothing on top. But I think the color is amazing. What do you guys think? So what I loved about it is that it glides on really easily, as you saw. It's not one of those matte drying lipsticks that you kind of have to like stretch and pull. So yeah, it came on really easily. It's really, really pigmented, which is another plus. Like, as you guys saw in the first swipe itself, there was a dark blue, and this is just like maybe, you know, 2 layers and you've got this really, really dark full body blue, which I think is incredible. So really pigmented, really moisturizing and hydrating. Like, when I do this, I don't feel like that dry, stretchy feel that you feel with matte lipsticks. You know, when you use matte lipsticks and you get that feeling, like, I can't explain it, but yeah, not getting that at all. Really, really loving the vibe of this. And yeah, this is not a color for everybody. I totally understand that, but I would buy this one. Okay, now coming to pricing, these are priced at 1,050 per lipstick. Now, I get that that is pricey, but I guess it's a designer collaboration, which is why it's pricey, but the quality of the lipsticks is pretty good. It's not drying, it's hydrating, number one, which is great. Pigmented, which is most important. Like, I have a lot of like blue, black lipsticks that are not really pigmented and they take a lot of time to kind of get like that dark, rich color. This, just 2 swipes and this is what you're left with. So that is a real plus. The only drawback is it's 1,050 a lipstick. Now, would I spend that much on a lipstick? Something like this, I would, because it's unique, it's different, and it's limited edition. You probably will never get this color again. Okay, next question. Would I get the whole collection? Probably not, because that will be quite pricey. So 1,050 lipsticks, 12 lipsticks, that's like 12,000, 13,000. I don't know what that is. This is what that is. And I wouldn't get the whole collection, but I would definitely get maybe a shade or two. And this is definitely one of those shades. Like, I questioned it earlier saying, you know, should I buy it or not? But after trying it on, I'm really, really loving this shade and I would totally get it. Okay, now it's time to swatch. So I'm going to put all the lipsticks on my lips and I'm going to put all the details here. Enjoy! shades, guys. 12 shades. Now, I'm loving the shades. They're very different, very unique. A lot of them I have never worn before, like the one that I'm wearing right now. It's kind of like this burnt orange, so it's not like a bright neon orange. Okay, now we're going to talk about my favorite shades. Number one has to be this one, Rebellion, which is the blue one that I wore first. Because it's such a different blue, and I just love the way it looked. It's not a shade for everybody, but I still love this one the most. Then there is this one, the one that I'm wearing, Fever. And number three is Domination. Loving, loving, loving these three. Like, the red was a really unique red, the orange is a really unique burnt orange, and the blue was just blue. Now it's time to talk about my least favorite shades. Number one has to be Urban Safari, because it looked like I was wearing foundation on my lips. Like, it is so close to my skin color that it just does not work for me. I think it would be a great shade for like people with a darker skin tone, but on me it's just an epic fail. So I didn't like this one. And I didn't like the green one, which is Balmain Instinct. Now, you know, in pictures and like this, it looks really green, but when you wear it, it kind of looks more brown, which was kind of disappointing for me because I thought I would have a blue lipstick and a green lipstick, and this doesn't look really, really green when you wear it. So sadly, I'm gonna say this one. So yeah, there is definitely something for everyone, which is what I like about the collection. It's one of those designer collaborations that has unique shades. Like, there's lots of browns, there's a blue, there's a green, there's a reddish tone, there's some peaches and oranges. So different unique shades. It's not like usual predictable like pinks. Like, there are no pinks in the whole collection. What I love about the collaboration, it's brought out like really unique different shades, and it's very, very Balmain, which is what I love about it. So if you're a Balmain fan, you will like the collection. It is pricey, sadly. That is pretty much the only drawback I see in the collection. 1,050 per lipstick is slightly expensive for the Indian market, but they're great, great quality lipsticks. Like, I have swatched all 12, and oh yeah, I have to show you guys how I take this off. Like, it is amazing. You can see I just used like 4 little cotton pads for all the shades. None of the pigments have run onto my skin, and they just come off with one swipe. Look at this. So that's how easy it is to take them off, like even the darker shades. So yeah, that is something I love, love, love about the lipsticks. Because, you know, when you buy poor quality lipsticks, you realize that the pigments stain your lips or they stick around for really long. With this, that does not happen. So guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the first impressions video and found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your favorite shade and your least favorite shade. And also don't forget to check out my Sarojini Nagar haul here. See you guys. Bye. Mwah.